Hello there, pet parents. If you're looking for the ultimate grooming tool for your furry companion, look no further than the Pet Steam Brush Cat Dog Cleaning Spray Massage Beauty Comb. This 3-in-1 grooming tool is a game changer for pet grooming. And here's why you need to get your hands on it. First and foremost, this versatile brush combines the functions of a pet spray brush, a grooming comb, and a hair removal comb, making it the only grooming tool you'll ever need. With just a press of a button, the brush releases a fine mist of steam, which helps to moisturize and detangle your pet's fur, making grooming sessions more comfortable and enjoyable for your furry friend. Not only does this brush make grooming a breeze, but it also effectively removes loose hair, tangles, and mats from your pet's coat, reducing shedding and promoting a healthier, cleaner coat. Plus, the soft bristles provide a gentle massage for your pet's skin, promoting blood circulation and relaxation. It also helps to remove dirt and debris, keeping your pet's coat clean and free from impurities. Made from durable materials, this electric anti-splashing brush is built to last and designed for easy handling with a comfortable grip. And the best part? It's easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-term usability. So, if you want to make grooming sessions a breeze for both you and your pet, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Pet Steam Brush Cat Dog Cleaning Spray Massage Beauty Comb. Your pet will thank you for it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more pet grooming tips and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.